everybody, Robert Crow here, Realtor with the RE/MAX Alliance in Northern Colorado. And today I'm taking you on a video walking tour of my new listing at 6024 West 1st Street, number 13 in West Greeley. And this townhouse condo, ranch style, corner unit is located in the reserve at Hunter's Cove. Built in 2017 by well-known and very reputable builder, Hartford Homes, big fan of theirs. And as you will see, it is lovely, very well taken care of indeed. You've got that modern laminate flooring that stretches throughout this open plan living area. You know, the kitchen, dining and living all run together, which is lovely. Window coverings throughout, whether it's blinds or curtains. There's your kitchen, plenty of counter space. That's all granite there in the kitchen, both around the sink and on the island. Stainless steel appliances. You will need to purchase your own fridge, however. Come on through to the primary. Carpets in the bedrooms, and we just had those carpets cleaned on August 5th. TV and mount there you saw a glimpse of. You'll see it again. That's going to stay with the property. Walk-in closet in this primary, and then we're going to pop around into the ensuite bathroom. This is a 3/4 bathroom, so has a walk-in shower there. That's all tile. The shower's on a slider. My seller will be really pleased that I mentioned that. And then we have twin sinks with a modern laminate and a linen closet. Come on round to the laundry room. Washer and dryer is not included with this property. One of the great things about this laundry room, however, is that you do have the ability to hook up a gas dryer. The 2-car garage is off there as well. It's approximately 20 by 20, about 425 square feet. Come on through to the guest room, carpet in here. Actually, my client used this as their office, but this is a 2-bed, 2-bath, townhome condo again. Corner unit, built in 2017. Here is that guest bathroom. It's a full guest bathroom with the shower and tub combo. And then magically, we appear into the basement, full unfinished basement, showing you those pipes there because that is what we call in the industry a rough plumb. People ask me about that all the time. So if you were to go ahead and finish the basement, that is essentially where you could put your guest bathroom. Come on round, furnace, hot water heater there. HOA on this property, $280 a month. And the HOA covers snow removal, exterior maintenance, your water and your sewer, your trash and your recycling, your exterior insurance, and then coming out to the patio off the dining area there. Very nicely sized patio, great for entertaining. And then just down those steps, there is access to a parking spot for your guests. So they can literally get out their car and then meet you on the deck for a margarita or a martini. I'm Robert Crow, Realtor here in Northern Colorado with RE/MAX Alliance. Thanks so much for watching my video. Any questions, please reach out using the information on screen. And as always, have a smashing day.